to another Temu and Amazon haul. I hope you enjoy. I've got various things today. I've got stickers, I've got loads of moulds. Again, I think it's becoming a bit of a addiction. Anyway, let's go. Welcome to another episode of Hoarders for Crafters. Let's go. Right, this one is a little dust cover to put in either your iPhone or your iPad. And it's got a cute little witch on the end. I mean, look at that. How cute is that, please? It's gorgeous. I just saw it and it was like something like 60 pence. And I just thought, I need it in my life, you know. But this is what happens, you see. You go shopping for one thing and then you grab something else. Always the way. And another sticker, the coffee. That one's a bit smaller than I thought, but you know what? It'll probably come in really handy. I love that tarot card. Well, say no more. That is obviously supernatural again, as is the next one. Because like I said in a previous video, I'm making a collage. Actual huge collage of photos, etc. The Margarita, again, another one of the tarot card series. I absolutely love them. As you're probably gathering by now, I've got quite a few. Oh, the coffee again. I haven't actually used them yet, but I'm thinking I might do some nice trays or something. Oh, some cement powder. I thought I'd give it a go in black, because black's really hard to achieve with eco resins, isn't it? So, I don't know. I might use it in my next video, actually. Well, actually, no, you'll have already seen it. Oh, it's a nice little course. A sort of yin and yang, but with roses. Cute. I might have a go at that at some point. Maybe use flourish paste. I don't know yet. Oh, what's this one? Oh, I ordered this one ages ago and I've literally just found it at the bottom of the box. I was so excited because I thought I'd done my usual and not ordered it. But yeah, the mermaid with all the little shells and everything. So that should be cute. Looking forward to doing that one too. Oh, this one. This one is absolutely, I love it. I absolutely love it. I mean, it's one of them that you get and you think, I love that. But like, what am I actually going to use it for? But, you know, it's a duck. But it's a skeleton duck. So I thought, how cute is that, please? It shows all its bones and everything. I just thought it was so sweet. But actually, thinking about it, I do have an idea for that. And again, more seaside stuff, the little flip-flops and the palm tree, the sun and everything, and sandcastles and starfish. Oh, little glasses as well. Oh, and a pineapple. I didn't see that one. I thought they'd make cute little accessories, you know, if you're doing like a beach-themed tray or, you know, whatever, you know. Oh, again, more seaside stuff. I ordered this ages ago, you see, and the orders are just starting to come now. Yeah, I thought that was beautiful. Like a little shell. Well, it's a fondant mould, but, you know, it'll be fabulous for eco. And then just paint the details in. What's it? Oh, yeah, more seaside. It's a turtle. Quite a biggish one, so yeah, I'll probably do that again at some point. Well, not again, I mean, again, I will do it at some point with the seaside stuff. I think it's a little tray, that. I also got like a smaller one, but I can't remember if I actually showed it. Oh, this one's gorgeous. It's a vase, well, a jar, but the lid is like the roses on the top, and it's like an urn almost. It just looked a bit gothic, so I thought, oh yeah, I'll try that, because that would look fabulous. It made gothic style. So that'll be another future one. And this one, now it's hard to describe this one. It's a jar without a lid, like a pot, should I say, and it's all like big. I don't even know what they are, like big, massive leaves all coming out and branching out. It just looks so beautiful. But looking at the mould, I'm not so sure if it looks like it did on the pictures, but I shall give it a go. I'll do that in a nice green and see what we get with that one. I've got so many to catch up on. Oh, my little dragon, yes. I'm going to make a little box for my friend. So I wanted a little sort of sleeping dragon to put on the top. Because I'm going to do like a dragon scale effect. So I'm looking forward to doing that because I haven't done that in a while. Last thing I did was a jar ages ago. This one looked so gorgeous on the pictures. It's got the shell in the middle and a starfish and like a big shell protruding out the side. I just loved it. I don't know what they're called, but them big curly shells with the ridges. I just thought, how cool is that? And that'll make like quite a nice sized pot. So yeah, probably an eco, I would imagine. Oh, these are glow-in-the-dark stickers, I think. Oh, tattoos. But, you know, we're all using tattoos. Don't know what I'm quite going to use that for yet, but, you know. Oh, yeah, and a little stencil there. I thought that could cover a lot of things, you know. If you've got something like a tray or something you could put a design on. Just something different. That as well. I loved that. That is so cute. Again, probably in some sort of tray or something like that. I think I got a bigger one as well for a t-shirt. I didn't realise it was that big, but... Oh, some more starfish. They are plastic, but I just thought they looked quite nice. They're the same as the blue ones I got in the previous video, except obviously in them colours. So they'll go in my jar. Oh, this. I absolutely love this. I'm actually making this one straight after I've filmed this video. It's like a winding staircase. And then in the top you put your candle, like your little tea light, so you can have it with just the tea light in there. Or you can put that on the top and have it with wax melts. I just thought, oh my God, I love this. So you will have seen this one already by the time I put this video out. But yeah, I just got to do it. It's beautiful. Oh, my LET'S resin. Yeah, these are to make for a friend of mine for her grandson. He's the little dragon. He's such a cutie in the family. So I've been promising for ages to make them. So I finally got the moulds anyway. And it's the see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil dragons. So I will be doing them within the next week or so for sure. Not before time because I have been practicing. I have been promising her for a while now. So yeah, I definitely need to get on and do those. So I think that's about it for my haul today. Just wanted to show you this again. I mean, look at the detail. All the walls have got like a ribbed effect. I felt like I didn't show it properly before, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to try this one. So that's it for this week. Stay tuned for next Thursday, the next episode of Craft Hoarders. I hope you have a wonderful day and thank you for watching my video. Bye for now.